Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be checking out a very cool piece of technology, and it's something that has not even hit the market yet. That is the CareWatch. And this is a brand new smartwatch that focuses on caring for the end user. The person that wears the CareWatch is able to track sleep, steps, as well as vital signs like heart rate, blood oxygen levels. But the really neat part is there is the Guardian app that is associated with the CareWatch. Any user can have the Guardian app. So think a doctor or a loved one that is able to track the user's vital signs as well. What's also great is the CareWatch has a fall detection and notification feature. So whoever has the Guardian app will instantly get notified if the wearer falls. Plus, there's an SOS button that allows that person to instantly be connected with help. Not to mention, this watch does not even require a smartphone. Let me say that again. This CareWatch, you don't need a smartphone to use it. So for example, I would get this for my grandpa who lives alone and he still wants to have that freedom to be able to live his own life. But this just offers a little bit extra security. So he can track his own health, but he doesn't need a smartphone to use it. We can have a smartphone, my family and our family doctor can have a smartphone to monitor his different vitals and making sure he's staying healthy, but he doesn't even need to think about having a smartphone whatsoever. This watch will absolutely work without a smartphone. Well, now you know what this awesome CareWatch does. Let's open up this bad boy and check it out. And there she is. Meet the CareWatch. So in our little package, we get a charger, of course. You get the smartwatch itself. Snazzy looking little watch, but let's save that for 1 second. You got your inserts, you got your instructions, absolutely. We have the charger for the CareWatch and the charging cord. All right, let's check out the CareWatch itself. It looks like a very sleek smartwatch, but what's really cool is that it focuses on caring for the end user, which is something that we need in this world for sure. But it's got a classy look, and I like it. And it's the size of just your typical watch. And if you look at my arm right now, you'll see that I have the smallest version of the Apple Watch. And if you throw this one right next to it, it's almost the same size. Almost same screen size, except they take a more traditional watch style, which I think absolutely makes sense. Well, the CareWatch seems pretty awesome, and I'm excited to see how it changes healthcare for the better. Until then, I'm gonna give this bad boy a test run and maybe even snag one for my grandpa. I will see all of you lovely people in the next video. We out.